Good morning, everyone. This is Brad Matheny. This is a silver chart. Wanted to give you guys a quick update. We are very likely going to be moving into this sideways formation. We change the color of this so you can see it. We are moving into that's the wrong color. Let's make it red. We're moving into this sideways flagging formation, and I believe silver is going to move into this consolidation sideways channel, eventually breaking out. So we're looking at kind of a chunking of the data moving through these two flags. You can see we have a move up here to this side. This is going to be the peak. I kind of think we're going to move up here, peak A, B, C, D, E, and this is going to come over here around August or early September. And that's going to align with this inner flag. I think price is going to stay within this range over the next 3, 4, 5 months, but continue to press higher. So when we take a look at the long term move here for silver, we're looking very solid to the upside, really quite solid after this August, September, kind of a peaking apex move here. And you can see the apex here and then the apex back out over here. So be aware. You're looking at a move probably up into 30, maybe 30 and a quarter. And then you're going to probably see silver roll back down here to 28.30, 28.18, then roll up to probably 30 and a half, maybe 30 and three quarter, and then roll back down here to maybe 29, 25, and then eventually consolidate up into this area and flag breakout. So be aware, silver's making a good move. Silver's going to lag behind gold simply because of the demand issue. So watch gold, watch the economy. But silver is going to lag, and I believe it's going to continue to flag out in this area here across these two flags. So let me change this to a green, I guess, and this to a green. So you've got this dual flag. A, the bigger flag, the green flag, and then B, the tight little blue flag. It's going to continue to roll very hard, in my opinion, over the next 6, 7 months leading into the election. And I need you to be aware the big breakout range takes place right over here. This is where you want to start to be very aware of a breakout. And that's going to start in early mid August. So be aware that these two lows give you a good opportunity to buy. You also have another low over here, which is going to set up as a false breakout low. That's going to give you another opportunity to buy into the lows of silver. You will probably not see 25, $26 again over the next 4 or 5 years. It's just not going to happen. So being aware of these opportunities when they happen is very critical if you're a big metals trader. I like to trade metals. I like to own metals. This is going to happen, in my opinion. Okay, guys, that's it for now. Talk to you later.